It's been actually a long time that I didn't done videos. So today I'm gonna do a video. You can see by the title what. So if you haven't, I'm not gonna spoil it. Well, I'm gonna spoil it like 2 minutes. So let me say how why I have. Oh, 1 second. It's too bright. Let me say how why I didn't do videos. It's been a long time. It's actually my exam, like the assessment. If you don't know what I'm talking about, an assessment, it's an exam. So it can happen. It's a surprise test. It can happen any day. So I can get the time. Like I have to do swimming. I have swimming class, by the way. Then I have to do. Then I get. I also do rest, but I also have to do. I also have to do 1 sec. I also have to do classwork and Aloha. If you don't know, Aloha is basically a math class, but it's very good. But it gets easy to harder and harder and harder. It's so hard for me now. It's actually not hard, but it's kind of easy. And for you, it's gonna be impossible. If you do Aloha, you will get thousands of messages. But by the way, Aloha didn't support this video, by the way, so I'm just talking anyways. Didn't. So I'm gonna spoil now. 3, 2, 1. Different ways to eat Oreos. Like I have Oreos right here. I have Oreos right here. Now let me get the milk. Milk. I'll see you in 3, 2, 1. Number 1. It's a normal way. It's basically the normal way. Good. Or just plain. Second. 1 sec. Second. Twist it. Lick the cream. Okay, now I'm done. I'm almost done, but I don't wanna. Now, or second. I'm sorry. Third. Yeah. Okay, better this spoon. Um. Okay. Don't mind that. That's the way. And you pick up with a spoon and eat it. Fourth. Wait. This. Just sitting. This. Fourth. I mean fifth. Or You got sixth or fifth. I don't know. Sixth. Yeah, so donut. Um, let's pretend it's a donut. It's just supposed to be like you're gonna press the inside, then it's gonna pop out, have spot out, pop out, and it's like a donut. So that's what I was going for, but this ended up in a mess. Rule number 7: you can eat it by cracking it, like what I just did. Last but not least, milk, chocolate milk. Yeah, that's it. I'm sorry, and I hate you too, team. First of all, I don't know. It's probably because child safety. Yeah, probably. Never mind. 3. See you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. See you tomorrow. For you guys, where it's in America, UK, it's whenever time it is. It's June. It's you for you guys. June 1, June 30, or June 31. I mean, May 31 and May 30. Yeah. See you next video. Bye, guys.